Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about Bitcoin dominance. Yes, of course, I'm not a Benjamin coin, but yes, I would like to give my few cents about this Bitcoin dominance. Let's dive in. Yes, in this video, I would like to talk only about Bitcoin dominance. This is a chart, btc.d, if you didn't know how to find out this ticker. So here is from March 14. This is a global chart, a weekly time frame. I would like to show you this chart with my custom indicators set, because indicators basically, they don't have an emotion. That time period, we have on the crypto market, almost only Bitcoin. So just simple logic. So you don't need to be the expert, in the graph or in charts, just simple logic. So this is a time where almost only the Bitcoin trade and people invest in a Bitcoin. Not so much assets, more like XMR, maybe XRP or some other, and Dino coins. So this is a time where money inflow into Bitcoin. Then we got an ICO boom, we got Ethereum, and Bitcoin dominance going down. So it means, just simple, it means that people, market makers and big players start inflow the money into other assets in the crypto space. So this was a drop and the lowest point of the Bitcoin dominance in January 18. Just to understand, when we drop the bottom, it's time to out of altcoins. So how to work with Bitcoin dominance, I already posted the video. So it's not educational content now. Then we got a pump. This is September 18. And why we pump it? Because the people usually firstly invest money into Bitcoin, to save their assets, because the altcoin is more risky. So just a simple logic, right? So this was a top in December 20. So December 20, after here the COVID dump, March 20, then we drop it down, money inflow in some alts, then bounce, and take a look from December 20 till May 21. Bitcoin pump a little bit, right, to the top, and altcoins. It was an euphoria on the market, but we didn't sweep the low. This low. So it's just a basic structure. So take a look, even not here, not sweep this, even here. This one, let's add a magnet, correct. So didn't sweep this low, right? But what happened next? We bounce it, drop it down. Here was a September 21. Everybody remember this one. And January 2022. So around November 2021, you remember the Bitcoin format, the like double top. And then what happened? We also didn't sweep it. And January, some altcoins pump it, and boom, September 2022. In November 2022, it was a bottom for many altcoins, and some altcoins start to recover back together with Bitcoin. But we recover back, but that time almost all altcoins bloody against the Bitcoin. So you remember only the AI sector pumping. So January, February 2023, the Fetch AI, Injective, Render, I guess, some like a Tier B pump it, hit new all-time high, right? Now we almost at the top. I marked this level like potential top for this level for Bitcoin dominance. A lot of people think we can hit even 70%, 73%. I don't think so, just because we can't compare, for example, September 17 amount of meme tokens, amount of altcoins, and the, let's say, summer 2024. Now we see a lot of meme coins even appear in the market every single week. So it's bad for a crypto industry. It's bad, definitely bad. We need regulation. Yes, you can hate it, but we need regulation, right? So let's be honest. I don't think so. We're gonna hit this target. I don't think so. We're gonna hit the 60% for Bitcoin dominance. Yes, everything possible. We can't trade Bitcoin dominance like a basic chart. Even if we will take a look, the full fill of monthly gap full fill will be at, let's take a look, 59.65. So if we even will analyze this chart like a basic chart, right, we can close at the full fill of this gap. If we use the monthly gap like this one, basically we're already done with correction 0.5 and even 38 we touch it. So the highest point was 57 and 03, 0.23 over FIP, it's 57.48. So basically just like a simple chart, we sweep liquidity, we close at the monthly gap, now the road will be open here to sweep once again this low, but I don't think so. We're gonna sweep 35%, but we have a chance. We have a chance, and I marked 33.46 is gonna be just madness. All this block is gonna be the madness area for altcoins. So just in case, just you can add alert, and no matter what happened in the market, right? Some altcoins will pump earlier, some later. It's time when you need just to be brave and fix profit, because I already explained it. The H bar in 2021, at 2020, 2021, at area showed only 2,000% gains. So that's a case. Not all altcoins, fundamental or meme coins, pump it like 5x, 50x, 100x. So just be careful with these stereotypes. So this will be the time to fix some alts, or all alts. Some earlier, some later. So this is my take for one more maybe sweep, full fill, and down. Let's take a look with my custom indicator set what's going on with the Bitcoin dominance just from the metric side. Without emotion, without anything, right? Just a pure math. ADZ direction. This is a historical chart. Let's go to monthly time frame. Why we can go higher? The reasons why we can go to the full fill, for example. Because we're just in the middle, right? This one. And yes, we can go to distribution zone on ADZ. August 18, it was a distribution, Bitcoin dominance, right? This was accumulation. So basically, yes, Bitcoin going higher. Now would be good to see the sweep of this high and drop it down. We at the top on direction on a monthly, but without any signals. Let's go to the weekly time frame. What we can see and how it playing out on history. So this is here the accumulation of Bitcoin start from May 2021. So yes, we drop it down, the altcoin season, right? And people start sell altcoins, start selling the Bitcoin, right? And Bitcoin dominance going on sideways. But here, divergency, we sweep this low. It was divergency. It was a time to buy the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin dominance going higher. So it was a significant sign when we sweep this low of April 18, significant sign to buy BTC, because we formed the divergency weekly time frame. And here's a sign, buy BTC, accumulate Bitcoin, accumulate Bitcoin, accumulate Bitcoin. Now, the distribution of money, we can call it like money outflow from Bitcoin to altcoins was here in June 2023 till August 2023. So some alts pump it. Solana, for example, pump it. Now we're just in a sideways. It's like a crab chart. This is a distribution. So also we form it like a tiny one. This divergency. This is the top. This one. This is the top. But lower highs on ADZ. Also, we can touch the this one, a middle line, and bounce again. What we saw previously on a history on, for example, direction indicator here. So this was a sign, the top for Bitcoin dominance, and we're going down. Then, of course, we sweep this high. That's why the same story can be with the alts. We can form some local zone here. For example, this is a low. This is just my take. We can form this like a sideways, and we can sweep. For example, it's hard to say the timing. We can sweep this move. Everybody fill their bags with altcoins. It will be the time to fix some altcoins. Then we can sweep the top, this one, or even full fill and crash it down like it was here. So we are now basically can be in this range. So this range, this one, is similar to this range. We can sweep it or sweep it till a little bit lower, even to this one, for example, and then bounce it, sweep the top, fulfill, and crash it down. The crash can be, I guess, around spring or autumn, 2025. It will be the time to out of altcoins. So just if you use my custom indicator set, you could track everything by yourself with the direction indicator. Take a look on market mode. We are in euphoria. So this is not the right time to sell your alts, let's say, like this one. So this is a time to accumulate Bitcoin, December 2021. Here's a depression, November 2022, the gray zone on the weekly time frame. This was here, August 2022, November 2022, Solana crash. You remember this time? It was a time to accumulate exactly at the bottom the Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin at the top and altcoins at the bottom. So now basically it's risk reward. It's much better to accumulate altcoins than Bitcoin, just in case. Let's take a look. Money power. So this is how it's playing out on the history. Let's go to months time frame, I guess. Here, money outflow. Money outflow from Bitcoin. Drop it down. Here's once again the bullish RSI. So time to accumulate Bitcoin. Time to out of Bitcoin. Time to accumulate of Bitcoin. Pretty simple, right? So take a look. The problem with Bitcoin dominance, we can't analyze which one the altcoins will pump, right? Because not enough liquidity to pump all of them. Take a look what we got on the history. So this was a time, May 2022, out of... and take a look the last time, and take a look from December 2023, here, December 2023, April 2024, May 2024, we got significant signals to bottom for Bitcoin, for altcoins. So because of this is a bearish RSI, MACD RSI, bearish RSI, MACD RSI, weekly time frame. So sooner or later, believe it or not, but we crash it down to this level. So either it will be the move like this one and sweep and drop, or it will be this move. We can't know, but we will. Sooner or later, we will dump like this one. We never seen the so bearish RSI on history. Never on Bitcoin dominance. Last indicator straight on. So time to buy BTC, fix some profit, March 2023, and step by step distribute your money from BTC to altcoins, some altcoins. And take a look how it playing out previously. 1, 2, 3, sell, drop, buy back, sell. Now we gotta buy, take profit, and step by step sell. Yes, Bitcoin can move higher, even the Bitcoin dominance going down. So that's the case also. But here's how it's playing out on a history previously. What do we got on the monthly time frame here? Buy, Bitcoin dominance going higher, sell. January 2021. From January 2021, money inflow into altcoins. And the bottom was in May 2021 without any signals. But you could, with buy signals on a weekly time frame, you could sell all your alts exactly at May 2021. Last indicator, this why I'm more confident about this bottom here. We drop it down. If we analyze like a basic chart, we drop it down on the fundamental price. So time to buy the Bitcoin, bounce. Time to sell Bitcoin, drop. Some altcoins bounce, and we didn't test at the top. We tested at the bottom, and time to accumulate Bitcoin. Here's a May 2021, bounce, accumulate Bitcoin. So you remember that from May till August, we drop it down, then we formed the new all-time high. So that's the point of this low. Once again, we didn't test the buy line, and we going higher. Now, it's not necessary, so we will test again this take profit line. If we will, it's going to be pretty bad for alts. So yes, believe it or not, I don't want to give you just a random hope. 66% is going to be the blue bat for altcoins. Exit line is here, 74. Buy line at this current moment on the weekly time frame is 33%. It's going to be the time to out of altcoins. It's also not necessary, so we will dump so low. Daily time frame a little bit higher, 36. That's why all this block, it can be the time. It will be the time to fix your altcoins. 12-hour time frame, the same way. 36 is going to be the time for out of altcoins. That's why, guys, my take for negative scenario, I don't think so. We will hit. Let's go to monthly. Monthly time frame. I think later this line will be around here in December 2027, for example. 2026 will be around 60%, and then after this bounce, we're gonna test this take profit line. Maybe we're gonna come back to this video. So I think the move will be like this one next cycles, and then we'll see something like this. We will see. We'll see. So now my take is this zone to out of altcoins, and capitulation for alts is here. But I don't think so. We'll pump on a Bitcoin dominance so high. If you would like to trade with my customer request, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.